Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I have an Acer Swift laptop. This is the Acer Swift 3 and it is the Iron Man version. So what happened with this laptop is that its M.2 Sata 3 has become faulty. And now I have ordered an M.2 Sata 3 from Lazada from Shopee, and here we're going to try and open the backside of the back cover of this laptop, and we'll see and if the M.2 Sata that we have purchased is a fit. So when removing the back cover, we'll have to make sure that all of the screws are removed properly, and you're gonna use some plastic spudger, or if you have a long nail, you can use that long nail of yours to glide through the sides of this cover and bring the cover up slowly. As you can see from what we're doing here, we're trying to slide our nail to the sides to lift the cover off without forcing it and create some damage. But as you can see, we have easily removed the back cover, and now the internal parts of the laptop is exposed. There are two M.2 slots for the Acer Swift 3. One is located on this side and the other one is on that side. Now we're going to attach our new M.2 Sata 3 on this side, and we're just going to have to remove the cover that protects this slot. So here is what we ordered from Shopee, and this is quite cheap. We only purchased it for around 1,200 pesos. That's around 100 kina. So what I didn't try is to buy an M.2 nvme. So I was not sure if it's gonna work in Acer Swift 3, so I just bought the same. Before the faulty M.2 Sata that we were replacing is the same model as what we have purchased, and we did that to avoid any unnecessary problems, so we just bought the same model. When handling an M.2 Sata, please avoid touching the contact points. As opposed to what we did here, my assistant actually tried to clean the contact points with his fingers, so I asked him to wipe it off with his shirt or with his pants, and avoid handling it with touching the middle of, because the middle of the M.2 Sata 3 has components that are quite fragile, and so the way you handle it is you hold it to the sides. That is the safest approach when handling a SATA. Okay, so we're almost done here. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this laptop over, and let's see if the M.2 Sata is found in the BIOS. If the BIOS reads the M.2 Sata, it means that this SATA that we have ordered from Shopee is working. So let's boot this laptop on. So if you happen to have the same model of laptop, this is how we replace a faulty M.2 Sata. So you can also do it on your own and purchase your own brand new M.2 Sata 3 without having to, send your laptop to a technician. So as you can see from here, the M.2 SATA was assigned in HDD0 and it's being detected by BIOS. So after this, we're going to try and boot a bootable flash drive and try to install Windows. And after that, it's basically finished. What we need to do is just, complete the installation of Windows and everything will be fine. So I guess that's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.